Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, I was out here yesterday with my buddy Quentin, and I didn't have any luck, but he got a nice little sheep's head. And a whitefish, which isn't all that great, but whatever. It was something. I actually skunked, so I'm back out here today, fishing for halibut as usual. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Oh, I think that's a fish. Yep, that's a fish. Let's go. Oh, dang, he got me tangled up in kelp. Oh, I might have lost him. Ah, shit, I think he's gone. He tangled me up in the kelp. Maybe he's still there. No, he's gone. Crap. Oh, he's still there. Got him out. Nice. Little calico. All right, so I actually got that guy on a little anchovy. Let's get back out there. Quick story. So it's actually right around out here, which is like 150, 200 yards from Stearns Wharf, the end of Stearns Wharf. A couple years ago, there was a kayak fisherman, or it might have just been just a kayaker. But yeah, there's a kayaker out here, and right around this area, a great white actually came up and bit his kayak, shook him off the kayak. He actually went into the water with the great white, and his kayak capsized. And I've heard this actually from people who were on the pier itself. He was screaming for help, and everybody was just watching, looking out, trying to figure out why this guy is like, I don't know, screaming for help, and like laying on top of his capsized kayak. I think it was then that a nearby sailboat kind of heard the cries for help, and actually it was a moored sailboat, so he jumped in his dinghy and came and rescued him, and they just towed the kayak back to the sailboat, and then Harbor Patrol came and picked up the kayaker. But pretty crazy story, and yeah, I'm like right in the area where that happened, so that's one thing that always kind of sketches me out about coming out here by myself, is like something crazy like that happening, and not having anybody to help me out. But I do have my radio with me. That's always important. Life vest as well. If I go overboard, I should be fine. I can call Harbor Patrol This thing's waterproof, so yeah, crazy story. But I mean, what are the odds of that happening twice? So that also gives me a little comfort. Oh, instant bite. Instant bite. Fish on. Fish on. It bit right on the drop. Feels like a good calico. Oh, sand bass, nice. Right on the drop. That was money. Alright, come on, buddy. Oh shit, they got some sharper teeth than calicos, feels like. Okay. Second species of the day. Show you guys. It's a nice fish. It's probably like 12, 13 inches. Maybe, yeah. Not bad. So I'm actually just staying on this kelp. I keep getting tangled up, which is why I switched to only having one rod. But yeah, there's definitely fish here, so I'm gonna keep fishing it for till this bite dies down. I like coming to this spot when I catch smaller bait, so like anchovies or really small jack smelt. They'll eat those up too. But sometimes those baits are hard to come by. What I catch a lot, especially right now in the winter, is kind of the bigger jack smelt, which are no good for, at least in my experience, are no good for calicos and sand bass, which I feel like this spot always has. So when I catch those bigger baits, I just go troll for halibut. I'll keep throwing this hookup bait, see if I can actually land something and give me some faith in these plastics. Some people swear by them, but honestly, I've never had a good experience, so I never really throw them. All right, wrapping it up here. I didn't do as great as I wanted to. Only got the 2 bass. One was a calico, one was a sand bass. I also lost like 2 other bites. One was in the kelp and the other one just never hooked up. But yeah, I mean, I'm not complaining. I was out here yesterday and skunked, so this is better than that. And we're still in winter, so you know the fishing always slows down around this time. But yeah, I'm just excited to keep going out there, keep trying, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you can. Really trying to get this channel going. So yeah, until next time.